Good morning, viewers. Today on Tuesday, June 1, 2026, happy gathering with us in Wake Up America of Movement, which will provide you the real news with articles conceptually from the fight, either from national or international. I am Faraz Kaula Putri and my partner,
Tiffany Helani Putri.
I'm going to accompany you for 3 minutes in this beautiful sunny morning with the first news which comes from Indonesia. It is about ministerial coordination meeting. Minister of Communication and Digital Affairs delay in access to high-risk social media. Alright, here's the news. Indonesia Tuesday, June 1, 2026. The Indonesia government through the Minister of Communication and Digital Affairs, Mutia Hafid, emphasized that its pure protection policy in the digital space and to delay short-term access to high-risk platforms, not to prohibit internet as entirely. This was convened during a ministerial coordination meeting on preventing and addressing mental health issues among children and adolescents. The number of children using the internet in Indonesia is very large, with around 8% of children already connected online. Data from UNICEF show that about 5% of children have been exposed to sexual content, while 42% feel uncomfortable or unsafe due to their digital experience. Additionally, there have been approximately 1.45 million cases of online child exploitation. In response, the government issued government regulation which regulates child protection in electronic systems. Under this regulation, the minimum age for access exceeds 16 for high-risk platform and 13 for lower-risk service. This policy does not impose taxes on children or parents, but instead target digital platforms that fail to fulfill their responsibility to protect children. The risks at risk include exposure to harmful content, interaction with strangers, exploitation, and digital addiction that can affect children's mental health and development. Okay, viewers, don't go anywhere because we still have another interesting news about our One Piece Live Action Season 2 schedule. Check out the list of episodes that will air. At this following advertisement, stay tuned.
Welcome back with me, Fanny, in Wake Up American of New Weeks. I'm going to read the second news about One Piece Live Action Season 2 schedule. Check out the list of episodes that will air. Monday, June 1, 2026. Jakarta, the Avatar of Monkey movie, The Straw Hat Pirates in the live action version is finally continuing. After the success of its first season, Netflix has officially announced the release date for One Piece Live Action Season 2, which has been highly anticipated by Nakama around the world. This second season promises a larger production scope, the introducing of new iconic characters, and the archaeological journey toward the most dangerous, the Grand Line. When will One Piece Live Action Season 2 be released? Netflix has confirmed that One Piece Live Action Season 2 will premiere on Monday, June 1, 2026. Unlike some other series that use a weekly release system, Netflix will release all episodes of the second season at once, allowing viewers to binge watch immediately. Number of episodes in One Piece Live Action Season 2. Just like the first season, One Piece Live Action Season 2 will consist of 8 episodes. Also, the number of episodes remains the same. Each episode is reported to be slightly long. Episode list of One Piece Season 2. Episode 1, The Beginning of the End. Episode 2, Good Will Hunting. Episode 2, Risky Business. Episode 4, Big Trouble in Little Garden. Episode 5, Wax On, Wax Off. Episode 9, Nami Tears. Episode 7, Reindeer Sings. Episode 8, Dirt and Loathing in Drum Kingdom. Well, viewers, that's all the news for today. Finally, I am Fanny and my partner Farah cures of Wake Up America of Newsmax Visit.
We would like to say see you next time.
Thanks for watching our programs. You in and heard in lovely Newsmax TV channel, the America's Launch Newsnet.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye bye.